audible? Hello? Am I audible? Hello? Yeah, thank you for confirming. Can you please unmute and hello? If I'm not wrong, Guru Babu, can you please unmute yourself? Okay, so I think there is some sort of issue from your end. Could you please could just confirm once in the chat if you have any concern in the mic? Okay, so I just want to check that do you have any idea regarding Salesforce and what type of approach you are finding out? Could you please post it in a chat so that I can respond according to it? I mean, like, do you need advanced? Hello.
Hello, hello.
Yes, you are audible now.
Yeah, actually, I'm working on previous company in Salesforce, but
Okay.
I have knowledge, but I don't have like too much knowledge in Salesforce.
Okay.
So that I
As
want to learn. Yeah,
okay, so in which field you were like as a developer or admin or what?
yeah, as developer.
Okay, so you have knowledge in admin.
Yes, and I have a knowledge. Admin and
Have,
developer also, but actually, 1 year is gap between previous company to right now.
okay.
So that's why I forgot.
So,
Yeah,
okay, so you need to brush off from the beginning, like
yes,
admin development. You
yeah,
need some hands-on work, right?
yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. Got it, got it.
And also integration with the LWC also I need.
That is eventually from the part of first you need to go with the admin and then development and comes the LWC.
Okay.
Yeah. So, may I know, I mean, what is today is your first day of your internship?
Yes, yes, yes. Today is first day.
Okay, okay. So, do you have any idea about? Of course, you will be having. Like, what do you understand by Salesforce CRM? Hello.
Yeah, yeah. The CRM is customer relation management, right?
Yes, yes. So, how it is benefiting to Salesforce comparing to other CRM?
Yeah,
I
this
mean,
is
you have.
first.
Yeah, yeah. Please.
Yeah, this is first. First in old now. The
Mm-hmm.
CRM is first. So I don't know.
Mm, okay. No, I mean, okay. I'll just give the brief introduction. I know that you already have a prior experience in Salesforce, but then I'll just go within from the beginning so that it will be like a brush up for you. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So if you have any concern in my communication, please stop me then and there, or else you can ping me directly.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so we'll begin the day one session. So today I will just discuss regarding the Salesforce, how it is implemented. I'll just go in a theory, not practical. Today we will not do any hands-on. Just give me a minute. Just give me a minute.
Okay.
I'll be back.
Babu, hi. Guru Babu, can you please unmute yourself?
Yeah.
Guru,
Yeah. Yeah.
you're not an intern, right? You said to the trainer like you're intern. Guru Babu,
Yeah. Yeah.
మీరు ఇంటర్న్ కాదు కదా ట్రైనర్తో ఇంటర్న్ అని చెప్పారంట సో దట్ ఐమ్ ఆస్కింగ్ యూ
Intern means. Okay.
జస్ట్
Okay.
మీకు యా మీరు
Internship.
జస్ట్ ఒక్క నిమిషం అండి మీరు జస్ట్ కోర్స్ కోసం అడిగారు కదా సో కోర్స్
Mm.
కోసం తను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారు మీకు తను ట్రైనర్ ఓకే
Okay.
యాహ్! ఇంటర్న్ అది అర్థం కాలేదు. సో, జస్ట్ తను ఏంటి మీరు ఆల్రెడీ ఎక్స్‌పీరియన్స్ ఉంది కదా! సో,
Mm.
ఓన్లీ గో త్రూ అవుదామని చెప్పేసి తీసుకుంటున్నారు కదా!
అవును.
మీకేదైతే డౌట్స్ తను ఇప్పుడు కరిక్యులమ్ ఎక్స్‌ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారు. సో, మీకేదైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే మళ్ళీ తనతో గెట్ బ్యాక్ అవ్వండి. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే అండి.
యాహ్! 1 అవర్ అని చెప్తాము. 1 ½ అవర్ కూడా మీకు ఉన్న క్వెరీస్ అన్ని తను ఎక్స్‌ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తది. ఏదైనా జాబ్ పర్పస్ ఇవేమన్నా క్వెరీస్ ఉంటే నాకు కాల్ చేయండి. నేను ఎక్స్‌ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తా. ఫర్ దిస్
ఓకే.
దిస్ ఇస్ ఎన్
ఓకే.
డెమో. సో, యూ హావ్ టు చెక్ విత్ దట్ ట్రైనర్ ఓన్లీ. ఓకే?
ఓకే.
ఓకే అండి. కంటిన్యూ. అనుష యూ కెన్ కంటిన్యూ.
Yeah, thank you. Hello. So yeah, I'll just explain about the topics or subtopics regarding the, as you had mentioned. I thought that you are an intern, so I was about to take your day one class.
Yes.
So I'll just give the heads up, like what and all will come under the subject, and so that you can decide whether to pursue again or not. I hope you will pursue the same line, right? You are choosing for the same, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, please, if you want to pursue further, please contact to the ma'am. Okay, so I'll just let you know in sales. First, we will learn about Salesforce admin. Under the admin, we have many configurations, like, right? Configurations in the sense just by using mouse clicks.
Yes.
There is no coding, nothing. First, complete configurations, automations. So basically, first it will be like record management,
Mm.
and then data management, user management,
Mm.
data loadings.
Mm.
So these are the topics will come under the admin, and we will go through for each and every subtopics. We will be having an hands-on practice that is mandatory.
Okay.
Okay, so and then after this, we will having an automations for the flows,
Mm.
because and we know that we have in the Salesforce admin there are workflows and process builder, but those are extincted. But
Right.
right now we are not doing all right, because after the releases spring 25 completely we are not using that flows. We are completely working on the flows.
Mm.
So we'll be practicing on the flows 5 types.
Oh.
All the 5 types we'll be working on it. with the hands-on.
Okay.
And then email configurations, case escalations, web to case, email to case.
Mm.
So all those will cover under admin
Okay.
within 2 to 3 months.
Okay.
So once it is done, we will move to the developer. Coming to
Yes.
the developer, we will be having a main for our developer is Apex and Trigger. So
Mm.
have you have experience in Apex and Trigger?
A little bit.
One second. Hello.
Yeah.
I'll share my screen now for the topics and subtopics.
Okay.
Okay, just note it down. Okay, right?
Okay.
Because for you it will be comfortable. What are the main topics and subtopics? Just give me a minute. I'll be sharing.
Okay. Can I take pic, right?
నో గురుబాబు తను మీకు నోట్ ప్యాడ్ షేర్ చేసి దాంట్లో చెప్తారు. రైట్
Okay. Okay.
రాస్తూ చెప్తారు ఎలా
Okay.
ఉంటది ఏంటి అని. ఓకేనా?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so am I audible, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, I'll be sharing the screen now. Just look into it and note it down. Okay, is my screen coming up?
Yeah.
Yeah. So first will be uh, Salesforce. Once again. So here comes first. We'll just CRM and its detail. Okay, under
Okay.
C. Yeah. Next will be CRM process. So basically, CRM process is marketing process. Everything will be explained in a detailed manner. So no need of getting worried. So these are the like CRM process, marketing process. And then under this, it will be like lead conversion. You know, right? Lead conversion.
Yeah.
Yeah, anyhow, we will cover it everything. Next comes the multi-tenant architecture. That is the main and important multi-tenant.
సురేష్ బయటకు వెళ్ళాడు. బయటకు వెళ్ళాడు. వచ్చిన ఫోన్ తెచ్చి అతను బయటకు వెళ్ళాడు. Oh,
Okay, next comes, here comes the object managemental. So once we'll discuss about all the CRMs, lead conversion, marketing process, sales service, all this process, and then Salesforce addition, Salesforce releases. Okay.
okay.
Yeah, after this we will go into subject, like first we'll seeing application creation, that is very basic, that will one app creation. Okay.
Oh,
And then comes object management. Under this, we will go through standard and custom object, and then field creation, dependency, web to lead. So these are the terms. Okay. So in the object management, what we'll do is we will work with standard and custom objects. We will create a fields. We'll go through with web to lead form, then field dependency. So these are the few terms.
okay.
Hope it is clear, right, till now? I
Yeah,
mean,
yeah.
because it is used to words, you already have an idea, prior idea, so that's why I'm using this term. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So next is data validations and formula fields. Will go, right? Formula fields and all will be working, and later on we will create and customize the page layout as per the business need. Customization of page layout. Okay. Next is a relation, object relation. Relationship, that is a main basic thing. Relationships. Relationships in Salesforce. So we will go through for the all relationships, like lookup, master detail, many to many, self. Okay, and then we will go for the limitations in Salesforce. These all are the admin. Still we have. I'll just write. These are the topics we'll cover in admin.
Security also. Yeah?
Sorry.
Security.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That is also everything.
Okay.
Email templates, automations. Actually, I'm going in a sequence wise, so it will come.
Okay. No issue.
So everything will be like a brush up for you because you already know the terms. So it will be like easy for you.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm just giving just a main heading, like Salesforce automations means you will come to know that it is lightning flows, process builders,
Mm. Yeah.
approval process, and all. Next comes data management. Okay. The data management, like data loader for the data loader, import and export. Okay. We'll do a few sort of examples in workbench. Have you ever heard of this term
Yeah,
workbench?
yeah. Workbench.
That will be very easy. So next comes the Analytics in Salesforce. It means reports and dashboards. Okay. Reports and dashboards, also types of reports like matrix, joint. And then comes the security. Under security, profiles, license, profiles, users, role, roles, OWD. OWD, you know, right? You have it's an organization wide default. It is like basically giving access to the user to control the records like public, private.
Can I conclude?
Hello?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Next is a sharing setting. Sharing setting, it means like what who and all users can view the records and what sort of access they will be having, like manual sharing, automated sharing, epic sharing.
Okay.
So these are all the topics. And assignment rules. Under this, it will come lead assignment and case assignment, web to lead, auto response, case escalation. I'll just mention it here. Okay. Auto response, like lead auto response rule, case auto response rule. To response. And next is lead management. You know, lead cycle, lead conversion, lead management in the sense lead cycle and lead management. Next is, and the last one is service cloud implementation. Inside this, it will be like a case assignment rule, web to case rule, escalation rules, and then entitlement management. Okay.
Okay.
So these are the topics covered for Salesforce admin.
Okay.
Okay. And eventually for development, I'll let you know. Okay. I mean, will you have you taken the screenshot or the
Yeah, yeah,
note? Is this done?
yeah.
Shall I proceed down?
Yes, proceed.
Okay. Okay. So for the customization, basically these and all the 19 topics are called as configuration because it is just a mouse click, drag and drop clicks without any codes. We are doing it, and this development we will call it as customization. It means we are modifying it based on the user needs, and we are implementing the business logic, complex business logic. Okay, so in development part, first thing we will learn about, it will be like basic overview of Salesforce platform, force.com, overview on force.com platform. Okay, and comes the Apex programming. Apex Apex programming language. Here, what we'll learn is overview first thing. Next will be execution life cycle, Apex life cycle. For every term, there will be a life cycle. Okay.
Okay.
Next comes the building blocks of Apex. Initially, all the theory will be there for first or second days, and then comes the work. Building blocks of Apex. Next, data types. Even in the admin, we have data types. The same here applies, data types, but in a different primitives manner, like primitives and S object. S object basically it is a combination of standard and custom objects. Okay. Next is conditional statement and iterative statement. Conditional and iterative statements. Next is OOPS concept. Okay. Shall I scroll down? Have you taken the screenshot?
Yeah.
Okay. Next come the access specifier. Access specifier in the sense, if you are writing any program and and you are giving like in admin, how you are giving OWD like public, private, and globe. Like if you are saying read only the particular is for in case you are the user and you want to share your record to user number two. So what will you do? You will change the user two as public read. Public you will keep it as, so that that user can have access to your record as well. Similarly here also access specifier in the sense giving permission to view the records, to have an access of your data. Okay,
Okay.
so this is called as access specifier in the Apex. So we will learn about access specifier and then classes and objects, then comes constructor. These are the few terms. Once you'll, I mean, if you have a hands-on practice, then definitely will come to know. So nothing to worry.
Okay.
And then overloading and overriding. Next is collections classes. So here are like list, set, map. So these are the types of class collections. Then SO, SL, and SOQL. Basically, these are for searching and querying the records data from the Salesforce org. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. So we'll be having complete overview and then DML.
Data manipulation language.
Yes, that is basically like doing insert, update, create, delete. So all the actions can be done through Apex programming. So once if you're writing and coding and you want to insert a new record, new data, like user one data you want to insert into your Salesforce account. So this can be done via DML Apex program. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So this we will learn, and then custom setting and custom meta type. One second. Sorry, Apex trigger. Yeah. Apex. Apex trigger. Trigger. This Apex trigger is an action before for performing the DML events, like after, before. Okay. So we'll learn into it, and then custom setting and custom.
Metadata.
Yeah, correct. Next is email programming. Next is asynchronous Apex. Asynchronous Apex. Inside this asynchronous, it will be like batch, and comes schedule.
Future.
Yeah, future queuable. Okay. And next comes the test classes for each and every Apex. Next comes the sandbox, which is very important. Sandbox and deployment. Okay. And yeah, so these are the main topics of configuration. Sorry, customization.
Customers.
Yes. Okay, have you taken the screenshot?
Yeah. I,
So this is admin, this is development. Next comes the LWC. Okay. First, we'll learn about Aura framework. Okay, like components, controllers, and all, and then variables. Okay, Lightning framework. And under Lightning framework, we have HTML,
yes.
JS, and Meta XML. Next comes variable creation, decorators, under decorators we have @API, @track,
Wire.
yeah, @wire. Next is data retrieved from the org. From the org. Then styling, Then life cycle hooks. Then comes the order of execution. It is implemented for both configuration and customization.
Oh,
Then Lightning database. Then LDS. Lightning data service. So basically, these are the main topics of LWCs, which we'll cover. Have we taken the screenshot?
okay, okay.
Yeah. So these are the topics which we'll cover in Salesforce concept, configuration, customization, and then LWC. So do you have any doubts regarding this?
Yeah, and integration also cover, no?
Huh. Integrations. Yeah. Integrations are also there that will cover it. Okay. REST API, SOAP API, everything. So do you have any concern or doubts regarding this?
No, no, no.
So have you taken the screenshot of the topics?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you don't mind, how many days it will complete this course?
Uh, five,
Approximately
5 to 6 months.
5 to 6 months. Okay.
I mean, what do you expect?
No, but if you like, if you do 5 to 6 months,
Uh-huh.
this time I want to change it. Why? Because if I already upload my resume in Naukri, na, so that's why.
Acha. Okay. Mm, yeah, it will cover. I mean, it's depend
Yeah,
upon the candidates. If the candidate is pursuing fast and right, then you can depend completely purely depend upon the candidates how they're grasping the concepts.
okay.
Hmm.
If you like this time same or is it another time also you're available?
I didn't get you.
So I'm asking, so only this time like 4 to 5, or if I want to change means
Uh,
your
you you need to reach Rekha because
okay,
she will
okay.
be arranging everything regarding this.
If you like change means like you're also change like one more person come, or same you
Uh,
came.
that I mean, even I have no idea. You have to reach out to Rekha and she will let you know.
Okay, right, okay.
Okay. And any other concern like topics?
No, everything is good.
Everything is good. Okay. So
Yeah, I need more updated my skills, so that's why I am connected to Reka. So
uh,
I hope I am very good learning from you.
hopefully we will learn good.
Yeah,
And yeah.
help me.
Yeah, sure, sure. So if any concern further accept this topics, if you have any other doubt, you can reach to Rekha.
And also like
Hmm.
you know everything like what was going in IT. So sometimes you teach me like how we are like easily survive in IT field, right?
Yeah. Okay.
And to give some updates also, like if you like any like references you have, no? So
Okay. Yeah, we'll let you know. We'll let you know.
okay, thank you, Anisha.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks very much. Hello.
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 Yeah, if you want to contact, I mean, you want to have a word regarding the subjects, like not subject, regarding the course duration and all, you can just call Rekha.
Okay.
Okay. So I think it's good. We can wind up the call, right? I mean, you came to know that what sort of topics
Yeah,
and
and only one thing. So
Mhm.
mostly you were covering like real time, so that's why I need that.
real-time projects.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, yeah, we'll do. Once we'll learn about the main topics,
Okay,
and
okay,
then definitely projects will be from the real time only.
okay.
Yeah,
Thank you very much.
yeah. So if you have no concern, we can drop the call and you can reach to contact to Rekha.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.